Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on a BMW E46. This one is with the facelift, and we're going to show you how to replace the ignition coils on it and spark plugs if you need to. So this car right now, it's running pretty rough. We're going to start it for you so you can hear it, and we're going to show you the engine code. Okay, you can hear it running now, how rough it is, and it's shaking. Okay, right there you can see, you can hear it how it's missing. It's missing one cylinder, and this is the ignition coil. We're going to check on the reader what the code is right now. Okay, it is connecting right now, and this is it right here, P0303. This is a cylinder 3 misfire. If it's 301, it's 4 cylinder, and the last digit is corresponding to the number of the cylinder. So in our case it's the 3rd cylinder misfire. And the car is shaking really bad, I don't know if you can see that really good in the video, but it's shaking pretty bad. So stay with us to see how to replace the ignition coil. Okay, first thing that we need to do right here, there is a little cap that we need to remove with a screwdriver, flathead little screwdriver or knife, and there is one there, but it's missing already. And now there is 2 nuts with a 10mm socket. You need to use we can use a deep socket right here, but for the back side you need to use a short socket so you can access the nut. Careful not to drop them. Right there, this is the nut, and now the one on the back side that we need to take off. This car has currently about 124,000 miles, and it has the original coils. 2 of them were replaced, but all of them started going out every 500 miles. So we're going to replace the other 4 that we have not replaced yet, and we bought the replacements on eBay. They are not original BMW coils, but they cost about $15, and in the past we used them and we drove them over 100,000 miles with no problem. So now we need to remove the old cap and pull that cover right out of there. Okay, those are the ignition coils, and this is cylinder number 3 right there, 1, 2, 3. So what you need to do now, in order to remove it, you need to pull up so you can unhook the wire like that, and now all you need to do is just pull it. Sometimes they get really stuck. Turn to the left a little bit. Okay, this is the original one. As you can see, it's Bosch, and this is the part number. This is for the after the facelift. The other ones, they're the same procedure, but they just clip a little bit different before the facelift. And now you just get the new one, push it in right there, and get the wire. Make sure you get the cables there, and just pull to close it like that, and you can hear it clicking. And now all you need to do is just put the cover back on. Okay, now we're going to reset the coil after we replace the ignition coil, and let's see, the engine light should go right out. Okay, as you can see, the engine light is gone and the car runs fine. There is no vibrations at all, it's not misfiring. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a like. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.